No one knows the day and hour. No one knows, however, when that day and hour will come. Neither the angels in heaven nor the Son. The Father alone knows. The coming of the Son of Man will be like what happened in the time of Noah. In the days before the flood, people ate and drank. Men and women married up to the very day Noah went into the boat. Yet they did not realize what was happening until the flood came and swept them all away. That is how it will be when the Son of Man comes. And that time, two men will be working in a field. One will be taken away, the other will be left behind. Two women will be at a mill, grinding meal. One will be taken away, the other will be left behind. Watch out, then, because you do not know what day your Lord will come. If the owner of a house knew the time when the thief would come, you can be sure that he would stay awake and not let the thief breaks into his house. So then you also must always be ready, because of the Son of Man will come at an hour when you are not expecting him.